So whenever I'm asked to do one of these temperature equations, I got to create a trig function from some temperature data. I always make a graph first. So I'm going to do, let's see, I know I would only need to be in, well, I'm pretty sure I only need to be in quadrant 1 here. So, and then telling me the high and low temperatures are 53. So I'm going to put 3 lines on my graph. The high temperature they're saying is 67. The low temperature is 53. And I got to find the average temperature. So this is going to be like the midline. So I see 67 minus 53 divided by 2 will be the amplitude. That'll tell me how high above everything it goes. I mean, there's other ways to do this, but this works. So this is going to be 14, and then divided by 2 is 7. So that means this is going to be 60, and as the amplitude 7. And then they tell me, let's see, I know this is over a 24-hour period, so I'm going to write down 4 lines. So this corresponds to like the 90 degrees, that 180 degrees, 270, and 360. We just got to figure out what's happening for this problem. So they're telling us we know that the temperature is 60 degrees at midnight, it says. So that's the average temperature. I didn't know that until I found that midline, but I proved it here. So at midnight it's 60 degrees. Here, let me go to a red ink. And then we know what happens over the night. Temperatures cool down. Typically they cool down overnight until dawn, right? So this is going to go down like this, and that's at 6 a.m. Usually that's around the low temperature. Then the sun comes up and temperature starts increasing. That's at 12. And then high at 3 in the afternoon, which is about right. See, I'm adding 6 each time. And then it's back down to 60 degrees at midnight. So I see I see a sine function because it's got a lattice point on the midline, right? Where's my pointer? Let's see, right here. So there's my lattice point, and see that's right on the midline. So I know I'm going to use a sine function. I know the amplitude is 7 because I found that over here, and I see the period is 24, and there's no phase shift because it's right on that y-axis. So let's do some more work here. Let's see, how can I drag this up? Come on. Been a while since I've used this software. Here, I'm going to delete this to give myself some writing room. So I'm going to write y equals, and I said sine. I know the amplitude 7. I know it's reflected around the midline because it's heading down. And I said a sine. Now I know that the period is 24 hours. If I take 2 pi and divide it by the period, that'll tell me the b number. So 2 pi divided by 24 is pi over 12. Then there's no phase shift. Are they telling me to use t? So I'm going to do t instead of x. And then the midline is 60. So plus 60. And if we were to graph that, it would meet that requirement. Okay, so making the sketch and then going from the equation there is really the way to do it. Hope that helps.